Alright, what's good, YouTube? Your boy Danny back with a preset video. No, I had to drop one for y'all boys. Y'all ain't heard a nigga do a little preset video in a minute. So, what's a better time than PLAYBOI CARTI, I Am Music? You know he dropped, and I want to give y'all a preset for the joint. Now, the song I'm using is "Fuck on My DJ." I know I could have used like Opium Baby or, you know, one of them ones, but I'm gonna just use this song. I just feel like this is a better song to base the preset around and all of that good shit, right? So I get into these gen. So of the song "Fuck on My DJ," and here go my version of the song. You know what I'm saying? So here go my version. First, I'm gonna show y'all without the preset. Then I'm gonna show y'all with the preset. So let's get into it.
I got me a nice little bitch off for a little horn to be day. I'ma walk on stage, my eyes so red, yeah, fuck what she say. Happy on the E-way, bitch come on the G-way. She wanna run on my chain, yeah. She wanna fuck on my DJ. Let it go like a relay. Fuck on my phone, due dates. All the money, you don't be paid. Buy a rich a new rate. Oh yeah. Get my ops, they due dates. Crash out for the game. Hold up, crash out for a mistake.
Now that's without any other vocals, presets, or nothing, just dry vox. Now here is with the preset.
I got me a nice little bitch off for a little horn to be day. I'ma walk on stage, my eyes so red, yeah, fuck what she say. Happy on the E-way, bitch come on the G-way. She wanna run on my chain, yeah. She wanna fuck on my DJ. Let it go like a relay. Fuck on my phone, due dates. All the money, you don't be paid. Buy a rich a new rate. Oh yeah. Get my ops, they do days. Crash out for the game. Hold up, crash out for a mistake.
And that's with the vocal preset. Now all of this, everything is stock. The only thing I'm gonna say about this preset is I'm getting used to my replacement mic I got right now. So I didn't want to use any paid de-esser, so I tried to manually de-ess, you know, whatever that hard sound y'all hearing is, or I might just be schizophrenic in hearing it. But you could remove this if you want to, or you could tweak it, but I just use this as like a manual de-essing kind of thing. So that's about it. Hope y'all like the preset. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and see y'all boys in the next one. Peace.